Meet the excuse monster.
I'll start tomorrow.
Every excuse you feed grows stronger than your dreams.
Even the phone had enough. Boss, my battery is 1%. Your productivity is 0%.
Only 1% battery, but 100% dreams. Phones need charging. Dreams need action. A charger can save your phone, but only action can save your future. We always charge our phones before charging our lives.
Just 5 more minutes. The most expensive sentence in history.
While he escaped into endless scrolling, reality quietly kept waiting.
Sometimes the biggest opportunity doesn't disappear. We simply choose to ignore it.
5 minutes became 5 hours, and another day quietly disappeared.
The phone finally gave up, but his excuses never did.
Boss, my battery is 1%. Your productivity is 0%.
You charge your phone every night. But when was the last time you charged your mind?
Dream mode activated. Inside his imagination, everything was already perfect.
Reality doesn't wait for anyone, especially dreamers without action.
Scrolling or growing? One spent hours watching success. The other spent hours building it.
Someone else had an older phone, but much bigger discipline. One spent hours watching success. The other spent hours building it. Success finally arrived. Luck didn't choose him. Consistency did.
Tomorrow never came.
He kept waiting for tomorrow, and tomorrow kept waiting for him. Reality finally arrived. Dreams disappear quietly, but regret stays loud.
A new beginning. The moment he stopped making excuses, everything started changing.
Your phone's battery isn't the problem. The real question is, how much energy are you giving to your dreams? Stop waiting. Start today.